Want to create intro like this? Just follow these simple steps. Create new project and add black photo. Enter text and select font of your choice. Colorize the text. Export it. Create new project again and add black photo. Add your logo. Add keyframe at start and decrease its size. Add another keyframe and increase its size. Add third keyframe and move it to side. Come to second keyframe and add exported text video. Move it to bottom layer. Select mask and do as I did. Go to third keyframe and do masking again. And that's all, your video is now ready. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.